Is it time for a short pullback for BTC? Let's go straight to your BTC chart and also which altcoins we need to watch if your BTC dumps or pumps. Okay, so right now we are your BTC chart, and right now you can see that the thing for the bearish is it kind of gave the first high, and right now which is this high, and right now it gave the second high also. So for till now it's your BTC is kind of bearish, you can say. Okay, but if your Bitcoin is bullish, right, it will kind of break this resistance around $30,648, make a support. That's the time we know it's bullish, right? Only once it does this. But till now it's showing bearish. And if I show you on the WADA or 30 minutes time frame, sorry, I'll show you on the WADA time frame. Okay, so once your BTC breaks this support, okay, once it breaks this support at around $29,875, okay, so once it breaks that support, makes a resistance, that's the time we know it's going down, and we enter short right here for even your altcoins. When this happened to your BTC, okay, we enter short, and we can ride it all the way to your next support for your BTC around $28,768. That's here, $28,768. Okay, so now let's take all this data and go into your Ethereum and altcoin chart. But first, if you like content like this, just hit the like button. Okay, so now let's go to your next chart, which is your Ethereum chart. Okay, so for now, for your Ethereum chart, as of now, we know till now your Bitcoin is looking bearish. Okay, so once your Ethereum only breaks this support at around $1,868, once it breaks the support at $1,870, you can say, once it makes a resistance, that's the time we enter short right here. Once it makes a resistance, and we ride it all the way, you can say, to this resistance. You don't need to keep it at this, keep your take profits at this resistance, and if it keeps supporting here, then you can take the profit right here at this support. Okay, and if it's bullish, this one what happened, it only once it breaks this resistance at around $1,919, makes a support, that's the time only we can enter long. Okay, this is until it is bullish. Till now it's bearish, right? Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your avax. Okay, for avax also same, only once it breaks this resistance, your avax makes a support, that's the time only your BTC also will be bullish once avax does this, and then we can enter logs exactly once it makes a support to ride it all the way to your next resistance. But till now your BTC is bearish, right? So only once your avax breaks this support at around $12.62, once it breaks that support, makes a resistance, that's the time we enter short, and we ride it, we put our take profits right here at around $11.86. okay, for your avax. And if it keeps consolidating over here only, we take the profit because it's more probably going to go up at this support. Okay, so we put our take profits here, and if it be for here for a long time, then we know we can just take profits here to re-enter even if it goes down. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is just Solana. Okay, so for Solana chart, the same, once only a Solana comes back again, breaks this resistance around $16.96, makes a support, that's the time only your BTC also looks bullish. That's the time we enter long position. We ride it all the way to your next resistance for your Solana, which is here. This is only if your BTC is bullish. Okay, $18.35. But till now your BTC looks bearish, and only once your Solana breaks this support and your BTC also breaks that support, right, what we are talking about, we enter short right here. Once it breaks, makes a resistance, we ride it all the way to your this support for your Solana at $15.54. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your dot. Okay, so for dot chart also the same, only once your dot chart breaks this resistance, makes a support, that's the time only when your BTC also does the same thing, we can enter logs and we can ride it all the way to this resistance. Okay, so unless this happens, it's end bullish and the Bitcoin flips, right? But till now your BTC looks bearish. So right now once it breaks this support, your dot at $4.78, once you break that support, makes a resistance, that's the time only we enter short, and we ride it all the way not to this support, but we ride it all the way to, you can say, to this support at around here at around $4.49. okay, we can, if it consolidates over here, keeps being here, we can take profits, and then if it goes up, we are safe. But if it goes down, we can re-enter it right here back again. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your Cardano. Okay, so for Cardano chart also, only once your Cardano chart breaks this support at around 0.28 cents, that until your Bitcoin is bearish right now. So once it does this, makes the resistance, that's the time we enter short, and we can ride it all the way to this support at around 0.25 cents. Okay, and only if your ADA breaks this resistance and makes a support, and your Bitcoin is also bullish, that's the time we'll enter longs and we'll ride it all the way to this resistance around 0.35 cents. But till now your BTC is bearish. Okay, so now let's go straight to your crypto trends. Okay, so see the high volatility coins. Okay, so right now I kept a list on it. Okay, so these coins, I kept a list so you can directly see, don't need to look at the crypto bubbles. Okay, so the first coin is STX. Okay, so if your Bitcoin dumps, right, once your STX or the 30-bit time frame does this, okay, and all your chart also does this on the 30-bit time frame, I forgot to tell. Okay, so once it breaks this support, your STX at 0.76 cents, breaks the resistance, that's the time we enter short, and we ride it all the way to this support. Okay, if it consolidates over here, we know that we need to take profits right here. But if it goes straight, that wick, that lucky to put your take profits right here. Okay, but if it's bullish, you know, only once your STX breaks this at around 0.86 cents, breaks the support, that's the time we enter logs. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your ING. Okay, so for your ING also, once your ING kind of breaks this support, okay, at around $6.95, breaks that support, makes a resistance on a 30-minute time frame, you can short it right here, or if you're very risky, you can short it right here since it's giving higher low. Okay, but we'll not take this higher low until it breaks this support only, and your Bitcoin also starts breaking its own support. We'll enter short and we'll ride it all the way to this support around $6.37. Okay, and for the bullish part will be until it breaks this resistance, your ING. Okay, makes a support, that's the time we enter longs, and your Bitcoin is also bullish till then at around $8.07. Okay, so that's it for your crypto chart. If you want to see the exact entries that I'm taking, just join the Discord. The link will be in the YouTube description. Okay, so that's it for the crypto video. If you like content like this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ping the notification bell on so don't miss content like this and early to watch. Okay, so peace out, crypto fam.